Okay, 8th class social, the chapter number 12. Indian election system. Okay, we are discussing about our Indian election system. Last class, some topics discussed in Indian election system. First introduction. Second, our Indian election commission. I mean election commission of India. 3 members in election commission. One of the members chief election commissioner, another 2 members commissioners, election commissioners. State level, one of the election commission there, and local bodies also elections conducted by election commission. They are the Indian election system. Our India is the biggest country, I mean largest democracy country. Democracy means it is compulsory elections in democracy. Several parties, some parties contest in elections. Elections, political parties must and should in democratic countries. There is no elections, there is no political parties, democracy can't democracy. No democracy. Suppose democracy there, democracy of the country comes in elections conducted by election commission. And political parties also contest in elections. Which party gained in elections and the majority seats got in election, the party became from the government. According to democracy, the majority people believe, the majority people accept in one of the party, the majority people opinion followed by the party. Majority system. Our India is the important beginning of the elections. I mean first general elections conducted in 1952. Those days election time, our Indian social, political, economical conditions, many social conditions is very literacy rate, system, caste system, our Indian society, today's male dominant society. Elections conduct the main the challenge of Indian elections. Awareness of the people. The election commission encouraging the awareness of the people. Election commission role, I mean powers of election commission are duties. Some duties that last class also discussed. First, nominations. Election commission may do the given word. For the 18 years people, there is no different of creed, race, caste, religion, have not rich, poor, etc. According to universal adult franchise, for the 18 years people, 18 years person, the person, the board, election commission, in the vote. First, the voter list prepared by the election commission. Our India divided constituencies, Lok Sabha constituencies, Assembly constituencies. First, voter list prepared. Next, election notification, nomination scrutiny, nomination withdraw. Finally, members publish election dates issued, elections dates issued, and counting date. Finally, the election commission should certificates. Here, the Indian election system, though they show ballot papers, and ballot box. Ballot papers. For the contest in elections, the contest numbers, names printed, and symbols for the members contest in elections, according to parties and according to independence. The symbols also printed in ballot papers. The voter use the vote on ballot paper. One of the symbol is the swastik symbol. The symbol will particular name and symbol, especially symbol. The ballot paper folded, first one, second one, the ballot paper will ballot box. In counting time, the ballot box open and ballot papers counted, the officers and members counting members. For the majority votes, got the majority votes, the person declared the member of the Lok Sabha, MP and MLA are open body elections. The elections conduct is the major challenge. Police department employs thousands, lakhs people allowed the election commission, election time. Here, Indian election system, our Indian election system is the main important system in the world. Elections conduct of free and fair. Free and fair. The main duty of the election commission, awareness of the people. The people must ensure use the vote. The people came in polling booth. Here, the election comes. Present ballot papers, ballot box will do only sometimes, few times. Nowadays, ballot papers, ballot box replace of new system, EVMs. EVM means electronic voting machine. Electronic voting machine. EVM. Nowadays replace of ballot papers, ballot box. And name, contest members' names and symbols also print on EVM. The particular symbol, particular name, our is the button there. The button used by the voters. EVM is the fast and speed. EVM system nowadays general elections, Lok Sabha, Assembly elections, the election commission maintain the EVMs. EVMs. EVM nowadays used by the election commission. Next method, nota. Nota means none of when go B T above. Nota, N-O-T-A, nota. Nota, no, none of the above, none of the above. Present election commission maintain the nota system. Generally, voters use the vote, the particular name, particular number, particular symbol. Suppose voter not satisfied the contest members, the vote use nota. Present the voters use the nota symbol, nota. Some votes got the nota, while the people not satisfied contest members. Correct or not correct? Correct or wrong? Here, our Indian democracy, political parties must and should. General elections and local elections, contest political party members, and political parties there are the symbols, show the symbols of particular member. Political parties campaign during the elections time. The party manifesto, party rules and regulations, party theories published and issued public. The public received the party manifesto, party theories, party rules and regulations. Which party manifesto, which party rules and which party principles accept the majority party people, the people support the particular party. The votes also, majority votes got in a particular party. The party became a power. Very important. Noda is the one of the news idea, one of the news elections. ఎలక్షన్స్ అనేవి చాలా ముఖ్యమైనవి. Noda is a new system. None of the others. Next, general elections term 5 years. So Lok Sabha term 5 years, assembly state level assemblies also term 5 years. MP and MLA. After 5 years, the election commission conduct the elections, must and should, compulsory. Election Commission officers, the main role played in elections what about the general elections? What is the importance of general election? General elections is must and should in democratic governments. There is no elections, there is no democracy in particular country. There is no parties, political parties, there is no democracy in the government. Can't elections also. Only democratic system, the elections is very important. Here, in an election system, is the importance okay, the Indian election system lesson, the new lesson emerged in 8th class last year. discussing some topics of Indian election system. According to discussing topics, we have to do questions there. First, what is meant by nota? Next, Election Commission. What is the important role in election time? Important role of Election Commission. Important role of Election Commission during the election. During the election. Okay, two questions. First, nota meaning. What is the important of election commission during elections time? There are two questions there. Two questions. So read and write. 8th class students. In an election system chapter of 8th class. Okay. Today lesson is done. Let's go.